Welcome to PPP Noy Daily Relay. Okay? So guys, magda-double session tayo today. Instead of 3% target natin from the current money, gagawin natin isang 6%. Kasi hindi tayo nakagawa ng video nung 31st, okay? Kahapon. Okay? So, let's start. Money natin is 500. So, kailangan natin 3% from that one. Okay? Para makuha natin siya. Okay? So, 25, no. Alright, just one moment. Kailangan natin ng 15 pesos. 15 pesos for us to win. Alright. So, let's try natin one shot. One shot. Try lang natin. This time lang. One shot, 15 pesos. Okay. First and second column. Okay. So, 34 and 34. Try lang natin. Try pa natin. Mali mo mag-work, di ba? So, one shot. Very first time natin gagawin to. One shot. One shot. 31. Boom. Panalo tayo. So, isa pa. Kasi naalala ko, 6% na target natin. Okay. Kung sumobra, let it go. Okay. And sana manalo. Guys, kung mapapansin nyo yung video natin nung 30th is medyo short. Medyo putol kasi nga hindi siya pwedeng i-post as short. Kasi nga hanggang 3 minutes lang ang short. And then darating din yung time na magpo-full video tayo kasi may mga times na sessions na lalagpas talaga tayo ng 3 minutes. Okay? But for now, we're using shorts. By the way, yun, habang dumadal si Pinoy Daily Relay, nanalo na tayo. So, that's it, Pansit. See you when I see you. From 500 naging 530 pesos. Thank you. Goodbye.